Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 3 on the sports team project. So on task number 3, it states, add a total row to the table. Configure the total row to display the total number of goal points each month. So how you would do that task is, click on your table. The table design, it will pop up. From there, click onto the total row. From here, click on January. Click on the mini drop-down arrow. From there, just click on to word sum, and it will say 38. Use the autofill to drag it all the way to June. As you can tell, there's a total for each of the month. That is how you do task number 3. Hope that helps and have a great day.